Line a pan with parchment. Crush graham crackers to make crumbs for the crust. Make sure you eat one cracker for yourself. Dump the crushed crackers into a bowl. Get 1.5 sticks of butter and put them in a small cup. Melt! Pour melted butter into graham cracker. Mix until you're pleased. Hang on, I know a faster way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Dump graham crackers onto your parchment paper. Spread out to edges. Use something to roll and flatten. Once the oven is preheated, bake the crust for 10 minutes. Take your crust out carefully so it doesn't die. You will find yourself at this point. Dump 1 full bag of chocolate chips into the bowl. Here's our trusty taste tester. Put chocolate chips over boiling water. Here's its evolution. Pour melted chocolate chips onto graham cracker crust. Spread melted chocolate chips all the way to the edge. Sprinkle mini marshmallows onto the melted chocolate. Bake in the oven for a few minutes or until it looks like this. Some may not be brown, but that's okay. Drizzle remaining melted chocolate onto your marshmallows. Sprinkle any topping you like. Just chill. Take it all out of the pan. Break it into pieces as big or small as you like. Note, if it's gooey, you did it right. Make sure you try it for yourself. I think it's good, but don't eat a lot of it in this whole day because you can go hungry.
Oliver?
Ollie, do you want a bite?
Yeah. It's like I stuffed this thing in my mouth.
Bye.